Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you a super practical trick that's going to make your Wix website pop. How to add text that appears only when visitors hover over an image. Whether you want to highlight a product, add a call to action, or simply make your site more interactive, this easy technique will help your images speak volumes without cluttering your layout. Let's jump right in so you can have this up and running in just a few minutes. First, head over to your Wix website in the editor. This is your starting point, your digital canvas where all the magic happens. If you haven't logged into Wix yet, just open up your dashboard and click Edit Site to get started. Don't worry if this is your first time. Wix's drag-and-drop setup makes experimentation safe and easy, so feel free to play around. Next, click on the image where you want your special hover text to appear. You might be using a product photo, a hero banner, or even a simple decorative image. Clicking the image selects it so you can start editing how it looks and behaves. Remember, you're not changing the image itself, just how people interact with it. Now, once your image is selected, look for the Design button that pops up. Go ahead and click it. This is where you control the appearance of your image frame, things like borders, shadows, and most importantly for today, the hover effects. Think of it as dressing up your image with extra flair. Inside the Design menu, you'll see an option called Customize Design. Clicking this opens up even more options, letting you really put your personal stamp on how the image responds. This step is a little like customizing the wrapping on a gift. You're adding an extra element to surprise your visitors. You should notice a small icon to the left that shows an image with a mouse pointer over it. This one might be easy to miss, so take a moment to scan the sidebar visually. It usually looks like a little picture with a cursor arrow. Clicking this brings you into the hover settings, a special area where you control what happens when someone moves their mouse onto your image. If you don't see it immediately, don't stress. Sometimes you need to scroll a little or hover on different icons. Once you're in the Hover tab, it's time to actually add your text. Look for the Elements options and select Text. This allows you to pull a text box right onto your image, but only for the hover state, so your site stays clean and uncluttered until someone interacts. Go ahead and type in your message. For instance, let's use "for sale vegetables" here. That's a clear, direct call to action that lets visitors know exactly what they'll find if they click. Feel free to customize the wording or font so it matches your vibe. When your text is positioned where you want and styled just right, it's a smart idea to use the Preview button. This switches your site to preview mode so you can test the hover effect just like a visitor would. Move your mouse over the image and watch your text pop up. If it's not quite right, maybe you need to move the text or tweak the color, you can always hop back into edit mode and adjust. Take your time here, it's worth getting it just right. And that's all there is to it. You've now added interactive hover text to your image in Wix, making your website clearer and more engaging for visitors. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you've used this effect on your own site. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.